Stretching a finished painting can be tricky. Let me show you the safest way I do it.
Today I am stretching my finished painting on a pre-made frame I got from my framing shop. This is the final process before varnish and shipping. So I am going to show you every step. The first thing I do is check the sizing. I place the frame on the back of the painting to make sure it fits perfectly, and I have enough canvas left on all four sides for stretching. I adjust the frame properly so the artwork sits exactly in the center. This step decides how clean your final stretch painting will look. Before stapling, I lightly tape all four sides. This helps me lock the painting in the right position and keeps everything stable while stretching. It makes the whole process much easier. I start stapling from the center of each side. One staple in the middle helps me fix tension without creating wrinkles. Once the centers are set, I move to the longer sides. I pull the canvas tightly and staple from the center for outward. This ensures even tension across the painting. Then I do the same for the shorter sides. Always pull the canvas diagonally. That removes wrinkles and keeps the surface smooth. I quickly flip the painting to make sure the front looks tight and there are no loose areas. Now I fold the corners. This is the trickiest part, so I take my time to make clean and sharp folds. Neat corners make the whole piece look professionally stretched. I go around the frame once more to add extra staples wherever needed.
And this is how I stretch my finished painting safely. If you want video on varnishing, framing, or how I pack this painting, let me know in the comments.